Hey everyone, this is your friend Naveen. Welcome back to a new video of Buddydevelopers. I do get asked a lot by my clients of plugins which I would absolutely recommend for their community. So I've started reviewing plugins which add value to communities built using BuddyPress and BuddyBoss. So during my research, I came across a plugin called BuddyActivity, which is solving a really important problem that almost every community owner experiences. So one thing which I keep seeing in most communities is that owners put in a lot of marketing effort to bring members. People join the community, people log in, people scroll through the feed, but people leave if they do not see conversations and visible activity happening inside the community. BuddyActivity approaches this problem in a really interesting way using AI. You do not have to decide who will post, who will comment, and who will reply. And at the same time, you still have complete control over the content. And that's exactly what makes it different from most engagement tools out there. So let me show you what it actually does and how it works. So what BuddyActivity does is help you create structured, guided conversations inside your community. Before you start, there are 3 core configuration sections worth knowing. First, we will talk about different persona types such as thought leader, regular member, helpful expert, etc. It defines how different members behave in the conversations. If you want to add your own persona type specific to your community, then you can add it too. Next, we will talk about the engine which controls everything. The engagement config controls how activity flows across the community. Sensible defaults are already in place, so you don't need to change anything to get started. Templates help structure different types of conversations automatically. Templates are formed using the existing config which you have built using personas and engagement config. It's worth to take a quick look at the configuration while starting so you can fine-tune later. Now the most important part, virtual members. These are WordPress user accounts that help create visible conversation momentum inside your community. You can use any bulk user import plugin to add them. 3 things to keep in mind. Make their profiles look as real as possible. Photo, bio, display name. Add them to the correct groups. Assign a persona to each member during import. Once that's done, creating engagement becomes surprisingly simple. BuddyActivity gives you 2 main ways to create engagement. Manual creation, where you write everything yourself. AI-powered generation, where BuddyActivity does the heavy lifting for you. And honestly, the workflow for both is almost identical, which makes it really simple to use. Let me show you the actual workflow. Now let's create a real conversation. First, go to Create Activity. Then select the group where you want the conversation to appear. Once done, then choose a template. There are already multiple templates available depending on the type of conversation you want to create. Set the date and time for when it should go live. Choose the author, the member account from which the post will be published, or leave it blank for the system to decide. And if you want to include an image, simply add the image URL. Now from here you have 2 directions. If you want to do it manually, simply write the post yourself. Then add comments, replies, and follow-up engagement exactly how you want it. If you want to use AI, click Generate with AI, type your topic and share additional details. BuddyActivity will generate the main post automatically. Let's use AI to generate the entire engagement thread. Simply click Generate Engagement with AI, and within a few seconds it generates comments, replies, and the full discussion flow for you automatically. BuddyActivity's smart content engine is auto-assigning the author and the time as per our selected template. Your complete conversation is ready to go. Then simply mark it as Publish Ready and schedule it. And honestly, this is where it becomes really interesting. Because you're not just posting content, you're creating visible interaction. For example, if you launch something new inside your community, you can instantly create discussions around it. So members see activity happening and naturally start joining the conversation themselves. That's the momentum shift that changes everything. If you found this product interesting and feel like it could genuinely help your community, then comment interested below. If enough people are interested, I'll reach out to the BuddyActivity team and see if I can arrange a special coupon code for the Buddydevelopers audience so you can get a better deal on the product. And as always, if you have any questions or thoughts about BuddyActivity, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. It genuinely helps me bring more reviews like this to the Buddydevelopers audience.